What's going on, world? It's your girl Napalm checking in. You already know what time it is. I'm back to drop some more game on y'all. So for those of y'all who are new to my channel, I'm a producer, engineer, DJ, and musician with over 10 years of music industry experience. In today's episode, we're going to dive into the essential concept of bit depth and sample rate, and more importantly, help you understand which settings you should use when you're recording your sessions or making your beats. So let's get into it. Bit depth and sample rate are crucial parameters that determine the quality and the accuracy of your audio recordings. Let's start with bit depth. Bit depth refers to the number of bits used to represent each sample of audio. So the more bits you have, the more dynamic range you can capture. Dynamic range refers to the difference between the softest and the loudest sounds. Common bit depths are 16 bits, 24 bits, and 32 bits. The most important thing to remember is that a higher bit depth provides greater resolution and allows for more accurate representation of audio. It captures subtle details and ensures a smoother transition between soft and louder sounds, resulting in a more natural and professional sounding recording. Now, let's talk about sample rate. Sample rate refers to the number of samples taken per second to capture the audio. It's measured in hertz. The higher the sample rate, the more samples are recorded per second, allowing for more detailed representation of the sound wave. The most commonly used sample rates are 44.1 kHz, 48 kHz, and 96 kHz. 44.1 is the most commonly used sample rate and is considered the standard for audio CDs. Higher sample rates like 48 kHz and 96 kHz are often used in professional audio production, especially for music meant for digital distribution. So now that we understand the basics of bit depth and sample rate, let's answer the important question. Which settings should you use when you're recording your sessions or making your beats? For bit depth, it's generally recommended to record at the highest available option your equipment supports. 24 bits is a widely used and accepted standard for most recording scenarios. It provides excellent dynamic range and captures plenty of the details. So when it comes to sample rate, it really depends on your specific needs. If you're mainly producing music for digital distribution, a sample rate of 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz should be fine. These rates are compatible with most platforms and maintain a balance between quality and size. However, if you're working on a high-resolution audio project or plan to do extensive processing and editing, you might want to use a higher sample rate, such as 96 kHz. It gives you more headroom for manipulation and maintains audio quality throughout the production process. Remember, it's essential to consider your project's end goal and the limitations of your equipment and the distribution platforms when choosing your bit depth and sample rate. So that wraps up our discussion on bit depth and sample rate. Understanding these concepts will help you make informed decisions when setting up your recording sessions, ensuring the best possible audio quality for your projects. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content on music production and audio engineering. Until next time, y'all be easy.